In this final video in our series on Python objects, we're going to talk about functions as objects. Let's jump in. I said in an earlier video that functions are named operations which can also serve as operands. That means that they can serve as inputs in operations in your Python code. For example, you can bind a function to a variable name and call the function through the variable. Here I have an assignment statement. I'm assigning the length function to the name x. Now I can call the length function through the variable x by adding a pair of parentheses after x and putting my argument inside of those parentheses. When I execute this, I see that the length of this list is 3, even though I only wrote the name of the length function up here. I called it through my variable x. You could store functions in containers and call them through subscription. Here I have a function dictionary containing the functions length, max, and min. If I want, I could call these functions through dictionary subscriptions. Here I have the name of my dictionary and then the key associated with the function that I want to call. After that, I'm adding a couple parentheses with my argument inside. If I execute this, I see that the maximum number in my list is 3. I could change this to minimum, and Python will tell me that the lowest number in this list is 1. I could call length by changing this to the length key, and the interpreter will tell me that the length of this list is 3 elements. In addition to assigning functions as objects to variable names, you can pass functions as arguments to other functions. So here I'm passing the absolute value function name to the type function, and the type function tells me that absolute value is a built-in function. We've done this earlier in a prior video when we pass a function name to the help function. That is treating a function like an operand in an operation, just so happens to be the help operation. When I do that, I see the documentation associated with this function. Python includes more object types than I've covered in these videos, and you can find a comprehensive list in the official documentation. Thanks for watching this video on Python functions as objects. If it was helpful, please give the video a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.